और नाज़रीन बुलेटिन में रुख करेंगे गाजियाबाद के हिंडन एयरबेस का, जहां फिजाई आज अपना 89वां यौम तासीस सेलिब्रेट कर रही है।
This is the Harvard in command of Wing Commander Dheeraj Gulati.
ये गर्जना है, ये उद्घोष है, ये बताने के लिए कि भारत की वायु सीमाएं इन वायु सैनिकों के नेतृत्व में पूरी तरीके से चौकस हैं, सुरक्षित हैं।
The Harvard was long used as the advanced trainer to train a generation of Indian pilots before they went on to fly Hurricanes and Spitfire.
These vintage flying machines will continue to fly and inspire future generations of aviators and engineers. Ladies and gentlemen, let's
Harvard aircraft.
applause for the aircraft of the heritage flight as they land behind the backdrop.
इन सब के पीछे एक कठिन साधना छिपी होती है, तपस्या होती है, कड़ी मेहनत, प्रशिक्षण और उसके बाद आत्म अनुशासन।
Jai Hind and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a fine morning today.
For the display by the Sarang helicopter display team of the Indian Air Force, today's display is our way to salute the indomitable spirit of our 1971 war veterans and heroes. Get ready as the team motors goes, but for the rotors we would have been closer. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Sarang helicopter display team of the Indian Air Force. The first pair is in wineglass formation on this historic day of 89th Air Force Day. The team comprises 4 members who go by the call signs of Sarang 1, 2, 3 and 4. With Sarang 1 as the team leader of the formation, flown by the commanding officer, Wing Commander Girish Komar. With a decade-plus experience as a display pilot, he has been one of the pioneers of Sarang team in becoming one of its kind in the world. The other aircraft are captained by Wing Commander Sridhar, Squadron Leader Veer Kumar and Wing Commander Niket Tiwari. And as we all know, modernization through indigenization is the outcome of a quest for operating indigenously built platforms and supporting self-reliance that has resulted in significant progress on various systems. Indian Air Force has always encouraged development of indigenous defense production capability and capacities. On this note, from your right, dedicated to indigenization and to our motherland, India, Sarangs coming in India formation. As they fly past in front of you, may I request you to cheer them up with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as the team will prepare for the next maneuver, let me introduce you to the co-pilots of today. In Sarang 1 with the team leader, we have Squadron Leader Mahesh Pundir. In Sarang 2, we have Squadron Leader Manoj Manuel. Squadron Leader Chandan Patnaik is the co-pilot of Sarang 3. And Wing Commander Gopi Krishna is in Sarang 4 as the co-pilot. This time, it is from your left. Keep looking at the aircraft. On the leader's command, there will be a change for something very special and very beautiful for all the August gathering present here this morning. That was a leader, and here it is, a princess cut marking the historic Air Force Day celebrations, ladies and gentlemen, from your left this time. Keep looking at the aircraft. You are in for a breathtaking surprise, ladies and gentlemen. And here we are standby. Here goes number 4. Pulled up, took a stall turn. And just a gentle reminder, as he's gonna fly past you, you can wish him, wave at him, and wish him a happy landings. sure that Sarang 4 is propagating the need of the hour, social distancing norms. Here, they are making a short exit, and they will be back soon in the arena with more thrill. And time now to shift your gaze from the rear right in front. You can now see taking the position is Sarang 1, 2 and 3 for the team's signature maneuver. We call it the Dolphin's Leap. This maneuver requires a very high degree of skill achieved by strict mind and body coordination. All 3 helicopters flying abreast will pull up in the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. Keep looking at the helicopters approaching you now. And now on the count of 1, 2 and 3, up they go like a dolphin in the ocean. Sarangs in Dolphin's Leap. And that's number 4 as promised, joining up with his formation. The team performs under the ever-watchful eyes of the team safety officer. Today's safety officer is squadron leader Karan Prabhakar. Along with him are the videographers. Ladies and gentlemen, the ALH fleet in the Indian Air Force has steadily grown from the conventional ALH Mark I to the glass cockpit ALH Mark III and Mark IV. The ALH Mark III is equipped with the most advanced modern avionics like the ISPS, EW Suite, EO-pods and CMDS, which gives it an edge. The ALH Mark IV, which is the weapon system integrated version with its air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, along with the modern avionics, is one amongst the lethal armed helicopter platforms with the IAF today. And as I say this, the flexibility of this aircraft has been time-tested from varied operations to charming displays, as you're seeing and witnessing now, right this moment. Set your gaze straight ahead. You can see Sarang 1, 2, 3 and 4 coming in for next maneuver called the crossover break. We shall listen out for the leader's call. That was the leader, and here is the reaction. Ladies and gentlemen, the crossover break. As the team prepares for the next, a word about the maintenance team led by Wing Commander Himanshu Purohit. He shoulders the onerous responsibility of ensuring that these 4 birds take to the skies and return home safely. Wing Commander Narendra Singh, Squadron Leader Satish and Squadron Leader Selvan, along with highly trained airmen who specializes in structures, instrumentation, engine maintenance and other technical aspects, help him in this most demanding task. With this, it's time to let heat go up. Ladies and gentlemen, this time from your right and left, 1 and 3 to your right and 2 and 4 to your left, coming in for the level across. Keep shuttling your eyes right and left and right. A perfect cross indeed. Highly skilled pilots leave no opportunity to show off the capabilities of the helicopter they fly. Indeed, a fine product of Indian aviation industry and a symbol of Make in India. Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, UAE, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, and this year, the Sarang became the first to participate and represent our country in Mark's 2021 International Air Show held in Moscow. On this occasion, let me take you back into history and tell you something about the origin of our team. On 31st January 2003, for the first time, 2 ALH aircraft of the ALH under evaluation flight took off and performed in unison. It was on this historical day that Sarang team was conceptualized. Our team boasts of the finest air warriors of the Indian Air Force, an embodiment of the professionalism and ethos of the IAF, the Sarang team has time and again been called to the fore in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions. On this note, we are all set for the grand finale on the soul-lilting tune of Vande Mataram. That was a leader. Here he pulls up, presents his salute to the 1971 war veterans, personifying the motto of Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory. Here it is, the Sarang helicopter display team, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead. The next formation is Vinash for the destroyer to depict the Indian Air Force's significant victory at Longewala in the December 1971 Indo-Pak War. The formation shall fly past in L shape depicting Longewala. The Hawk aircraft are from the Operational Conversion Unit Alpha, the same squadron which brought laurels while flying the Hunters during the 1971. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vinash formation led by Group Captain A. Mathur flying in from your front.
Ladies and gentlemen, flying in next will be the Tiranga formation, commemorating 75 years of India's independence. The formation has C-17 in the lead, with Group Captain Rahul Singh in captaincy, closely followed by the Surakiran aerobatic team. Ladies and gentlemen, to your right, the C-17 and the Surakiran team trailing the tricolor. Ladies and gentlemen, your very own Surakiran aerobatic team, popularly known as the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, is one of the few 9 aircraft aerobatic teams in the world and the only Ladies and gentlemen, weather plays a very important role in all display flying. Based on today's weather, the team leader will decide the maneuvers that are being carried out. But I can guarantee that the team will be making an endeavor to put on the best show. I am Flight Lieutenant Ridhima, the team commentator, and I will be guiding you through today's display profile. Coming in from your left, you will soon be able to see the team led by our Commanding Officer, Group Captain Anup Singh, Vayu Sena Medal, in the shape of a NAT aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking to your left as the team is approaching in the shape of a NAT aircraft. Interestingly, this is the same aircraft which fought in the Battle of Boira. Let me tell you that flying behind number 1 is number 4, Wing Commander Nautiyal, and behind him is number 7, Wing Commander Bhatt. Numbers 1, 4 and 7 form the spine of all formations, whereas the even numbers 2, 6 and 8 form the right flank, and the numbers 3, 5 and 9 form the left flank. gentlemen, soon you will see the team from your left in the shape of Tejas aircraft. This aircraft has been made in India, made for India. देवी एवं सज्जनों, जल्दी आपकी बाईं तरफ से आप टीम को देख पाएंगे तेजस एयरक्राफ्ट की। The team has displayed in over 500 cities across India, and we have covered from Srinagar to Kanyakumari and from Nalia.
Watch the leader pull up and the wingman split. Formation led by group captain Gaurav Acharya.
14 को 2 वीर चक्र प्रदान किए गए थे। विजय फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं।
This diamond is dedicated to the 89th Airforce anniversary. And as they are turning, let me tell you that you will see the team in the shape of an inverted triangle. In military parlance, the same is known as the Delta platform. The current aircraft on Indian Air Force's inventory with Delta platform are MiG-21, Mirage 2000, Tejas and Rafale. Interestingly, all of them are in the static display today. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the inverted triangle approaching you from the left. Ladies and gentlemen, the Delta formation.